Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you guys some updates on the multilingual capabilities of AIR right now. So over the weekend there was a bunch of testing to add a new multilingual voice and capability to AIR, because right now it can speak in pretty much every single language and can understand like every language. There's like a couple languages out of some like deserted island it can't understand, but all the main languages it knows and can understand and it can speak in. And I'll be going over how to make it speak in those languages a little bit later. But it doesn't. It still has an American accent because right now it still sounds like an American speaker trying to speak another language. It'd be like me saying "me gusta," like whatever. You don't have the accent, so it doesn't come off right. It doesn't come off correctly. So they're working on a new voice that can kind of adapt to each language and sound like what a person that speaks that language would sound like. Right now, though, it can speak in every language, as I said. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So let's do language test. So you can also do this on inbound calls. So this is a little more experimental. Not sure if it works for everybody, but inbound calls, if somebody calls in and they start speaking Spanish, the bot can adapt to Spanish. If they start speaking German, the bot can adapt to German and start speaking German. That you have to do in the advanced section. I haven't even tested that really. I know that it could be possible. There's no reason it shouldn't be. It's just that AIR, I don't know if it can actually do it correctly yet, but I urge you to try it out if you have all kinds of different people calling in from different countries, speaking different languages, because it is possible for AIR to recognize what they're saying and convert your text to that language, like on spot. Okay, so for now, if you want to make it so that this speaks in Spanish, for example, it's very simple. All you have to do is erase all of this and turn it into Spanish. If all of it is Spanish, and then the person that calls in, or this, if it dials out to somebody, the person that it dials out to, if they speak Spanish, then it's going to be Spanish, Spanish, Spanish back and forth, and it will just adapt to that automatically. So that won't be a problem as long as the entire script is in Spanish and the person speaking is in Spanish. That's it. It's going to convert, and that applies to every language. It does work very well with Spanish in particular because it's such a popular language, but it works with everything, every major language. Hope that helped you guys. And once again, I really appreciate if you sign up to AIR with the link in my description. It's going to help you guys because you're going to get priority server. So most people are in this line with their campaigns. You're going to be in this fast pass line. You're going to get your campaigns out faster, and you're going to get early access to new beta features. And it would help me out, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye-bye.